What's up, my Piaggio, Vespa, Aprilia fans? The reason why I say that is because this is a demo video of the big bore kit install that I offer on our website. Basically, it's going to cover all the 4-stroke 50cc Piaggio, Vespa, Aprilia engines. Nothing's worse than like looking through a service manual. You just want to see that picture of what they're talking about and you can't find it, they don't show it. And if they do, it's black and white. This is a complete HD video with torque settings, everything on how to do it. This is a Piaggio motor, and there's two versions of this motor. There's a 2-valve and a 4-valve head. This video is going to apply to the Quattro and just the basic 2-valve head. It's going to be the same. There's the same motor that's in all 4-stroke Vespas and Piaggios, 50cc's. So that includes the Piaggio Fly, the LX50, the LX50S, the Aprilia Mojitos, this Aprilia SR50. There's a bunch of them that use this motor. But it says 4T right here. Pretty much if you see this is the motor that we were working with. We've got the Melosi 80cc big bore kit. Brings them from a 50cc to an 80. That's this kit here, just like this. And then we have the 4-valve camshaft and variator rollers. Okay, so remove the exhaust. First one is the 10mm up under here. And you just move the exhaust out of the way. Up here just like that. Unscrew this top screw here. Kind of pull this up. Just like that. In their gaskets. Give a little shake. And you can pull that out. Put that out of the way. And then just give a little wiggle. And pull the head off. There's going to be more underneath here. There's one here. Just like that. And pull it out. See how I can move this around like this? And now I can pull that out just like that. And see the opening is right there. Alright, now that I've got all my ring gaps and everything's good, and I've got my circlip installed, I pre-lube this piston pin directly in this opening. One here, and one here. Just be careful not to move it just slides in real nice and easy. I shouldn't have to force it at all. It's going to go on real nice and easy. Slowly. See, there's a one for 2T and 4T. Obviously we have a 4T, so we're gonna line that up. I'm just gonna slide this down. It should be pretty easy to move the header on and get it out of there. Squeezing the pack just like this. But that was the top end rebuild or big bore install on this Piaggio motor, which is found in a lot of different models. Alright, so you've seen the little demo video I put together. It's about a half-hour long, the full version of it. We won't skip over anything. It will be from start to finish on how to install that big bore kit. If this video resonates with you, remember just to click the link down below, send you over to the website, and you can buy it. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.